Alex Perez Roofing was recommended to me by a contractor. I had inquired about a repair job on my roof, and I knew this contractor was very highly recommended, and so I asked him about it, and he said he doesn't do that anymore, but he said that he could recommend Alex. Well, what he said was that there were a few other roofers that were not reliable and did not do good work, and he said Alex was really good and stood by his work, and so he would recommend him. Hi, I'm Janet from Sacramento, California. I had a leak in the kitchen, and so I knew that it was, going through the roof and down into the attic, into my kitchen. So I needed to get that fixed as soon as possible. And Alex came by and within a couple of days called me and made arrangements. When I talked to Alex, we discussed the notion that, the roof has been repaired several times, various parts. I found out it is the original roof. I've been here 20 years. The house was built, I think, mid-70s. So it was probably time for it to be the whole roof. I mean, I didn't want to keep repairing all parts of the roof. And not that I wanted to pay a lot of money, but that's what happens. Oh, my overall experience working with Alex and his crew was good. They were here bright and early in the morning. They finished up, they cleaned up, and went home and came back the next day early and did the job until they finished. The team was really good. I mean, they would tell me what they found on the roof when they took the tile off, all the spots. They had pictures, and I knew it was my roof because I could see my neighbor's yard or car. So I thought, okay, at least he's not up there and I'm not looking at somebody else's roof. So that was really good. And whenever they found or wanted to tell me something about the roof, they knocked on the door and told me they were going to do this or that or whatever. So I was always kind of kept in the loop. Oh, I think it looks good. I think it looks good. I've had a couple of compliments on it, and you can tell that above, around my neighborhood, we all have tile roofs, and outside of the court, they don't. They have composition. So I think people have had problems, and so I kind of felt like this was the next step. I would recommend him because I think they're dependable. I haven't had any problems, but I think if I did, I could call him and say, this didn't work or something's happening or something. And he's always quick to reply back. And I would recommend him because I think they're efficient and they did a good job. They cleaned up and everything, so it was nice. I tell him to go for it because I know that Alex will do a good job. And I can't, I think there's a lot of times there's others that are out there. I've had other roofs put on by other people, and I would go back to Alex. I don't know, it was just kind of like Alex was very sincere when he would talk to me about accommodating my needs. And he always felt bad that, I had to get up early and take the car out, and he appreciated all of that. The other roofers, they just came, did their job, and that was it. And there was just a little more sincerity with Alex.